He loves popcorn.
Look at that face. Hey. Deal.
She darted for it, damn. Hey, smell it, where is it? The fucking camera can see where it's at.
You can?
Yes. The little yellow thing right in the center of the camera right now.
You gotta get.
Okay, that's enough. I guess one more. So, in the last video, we were throwing popcorn at Diego. My popcorn bucket tipped over, and it looks like he pissed his pants.
No, it looks like I got some. I'm gonna smell like butter now. So is the couch. The couch gonna smell like butter now.
He's probably
Fuck!
He's probably gonna be licking the couch when we get back.
God!
This is the shit I have to deal with.
What the fuck you videotaping me? Huh?
But hey, he's cleaning.
Did I say it was okay to do this? Huh?
Did I say it was okay for you to talk?
The fuck? Howdy kids, this is the new and improved Ronald McDonald. Now listen, you may not like butt stuff, but I don't give a fuck. Get the fucking camera out of my face! Keep filming me.
What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know.
Can't you see?
Looks like you're being a normal fat man.
Fuck you!
Oh! 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 Hey, don't horny monkey. Why are you using your finger?
Stir around the butter more.
Trying to get your finger wet?
It's all battery for you.
Look at that sugar brick. Oh. How hard is that? It's like solid sugar. I don't think it's all gonna fit. Gotta hope it melts down.
It will.
How do you know? You've never made Rice Krispies before.
Because they're fluffy right now. That means they're gonna go down. I look at myself and I say, very beautiful.
For a fat man.
You're the one who found this stuff and wanted to do it.
You're the one that wanted to do it. I just asked you if you wanted to. You realize there's two fat men fighting over food?
It's taking forever to melt.
Yeah, well, you have fun being a fat man. Are you done yet?
No.
Done yet?
Would you like an egg?
That. Are you cooking egg whites?
No.
Looks like dough.
You know exactly what it is.
It's Egg McMuffins. Pure sugar.
I think the spatula's gonna break.
Break it, you buy it.
Yes, Greg. I know.
Stir, don't stab.
I have to do both. It won't stir up.
Now, his hands got tired. Go figure. I'm on the other side of the camera now. This is weird. So, I get to put the shit in here. My hands are clean. Well, fuck it. There, it's done. God, you suck at stirring.
You forgot to do something. You're supposed to grease the pan.
Fuck.
I don't want another cake incident.
Hey, that came out just fine. Seriously?
So how's it going? Trying to do it, huh? How's it taste?
It's very fucking good. You get to clean your fucking thing. Have fun.
I'm the one who cooked. I told you before you started.
You get to clean the pan.
Nope. Is it on video? Is it in proof?
Yes, I know. You're supposed to let it cool, but I'm a fat man.
Just let it cool.
No. One piece?
I'm gonna wait.
So good.
Got diabetes in a brick right there.
No, that's diabetes in a brick.
True.
Diego. Who's that right there?
How long has it been sitting there? 10 minutes?
Well, 5 maybe. Somebody has the salami. And he won't share.